Hey, guys. Welcome back to my channel, Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete VK accounts in a few seconds. So, it's very simple. You just have to open your VK app on your mobile. So, I have already opened my VK account. Let's go to the home page, which is your profile page, and just go to the 3-line button, which is in the top right corner. Now, you can see the edit profile. Just click on this. Now, you have to scroll down a bit and go to security. Here, after that, you just need to scroll down a bit to last, and here you can see delete VKID account. So, just tap on it, and you can see here delete account. You will have 7 months to restore your account, and data will be deleted from all the services where you were logged in with VKID. Thanks for watching this video. Please follow for more content, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.